Hello YouTube, just a quick air test with the Garrett Ace 400i. I've had a couple of people ask me about the pull tabs, the numbers, what the pull tabs come in at, and I've got a ring pull here, dug it up yesterday, and I've got a what we call a square tab. So I'm going to put the square tab over now. There we go, and then I'm going to try the ring pull now. And there you are. So there's the two numbers you're getting with those. Obviously there's a different type, different sizes, but they're the two main ones that you seem to dig a lot of. So I hope that helped. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.